Today's vehicle is different. It's what I believe to be a 1971 Ford Econoline van, a customized one, a high rider, beach buggy, wagon, off-road camper, whatever you want to call it. It was neat because it was a shorty van with no windows and had all the off-road equipment on it, but it's just a two-wheel drive, a rear-wheel drive one. But had a good look to it, and somebody dumped a ton of money in it, so I figured I would show it. Figured somebody out there might like it, and I thought it was neat. And I filmed it at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California, and definitely an eye catcher, that's for sure. But that's today's vehicle of the day, a 1971 customized Ford Econoline van, made into a off-road buggy, camper, surf wagon, whatever you want to call it. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.